Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington. I'm going to check out the handbags and shoes and see what is new. Looks like they have some gift sets up here at the front and some watches. And the handbags look like they're the kind of the same ones that are from the fall. This one looks kind of new though, but it's already on clearance. And then here's those watches I was telling you about. I like the pink one. And I saw this juicy slide that's super cute, just randomly sitting up here. And they have some backpacks. I like this Guess one, and the straps are super cute on that one. And my Burlington is pretty slow right now. It seems like my Burlington's always slow though. So here's some more backpacks. This one is Betsy Johnson, has a little unicorn and polka dots, super cute. And of course they have Tommy Hilfiger. I think that's pretty much the best brand they have at Burlington usually. Sometimes I see Vera Bradley, Tommy Hilfiger, Aldo, and BB. And then here are some more like Christmas sets. And then I'm going to check out the shoes and see what they have new. It looks like they do have some boots and booties. There's some cute Converse. I like the pink star. And they're kind of like a suede, like a fake suede. And then these caught my eye. They're super cute. They're little stars all over them. They're like little high tops. And some Nike slides. You can always find some Nike slides and Puma slides at Burlington. And then I saw these big black chunky shoes that were on clearance.